In today's AI-driven world, falling behind means missing out on groundbreaking tools that could transform your productivity. Now imagine having 20 plus top AI models at your fingertips with just one click. That's Merlin AI, the Chrome extension that's changing how we work online. Think about this: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini all accessible through a single Google account. No more juggling multiple tabs or subscriptions. Need insights, content help, or coding solutions? Merlin AI delivers instantly, giving you a competitive edge in our AI-powered era. Working with documents has never been easier. Simply upload your PDF, Word file, or PowerPoint presentation, ask your question, and watch as Merlin AI extracts exactly what you need. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps. This saves valuable time and energy so you can focus on higher priority tasks. But that's just the beginning. Merlin AI is a versatile tool designed to streamline your entire online experience. Whether you're researching, writing, coding, or just looking to boost your productivity, Merlin AI has got you covered. For content creators, Merlin AI is a game changer. It can summarize YouTube videos in seconds. No more watching hours of content to find key points. Just feed the URL to Merlin and voila, instant summary. Even better, it generates full transcriptions automatically. When searching on Google, get direct answers without the endless scrolling through websites that don't solve your problem. Merlin AI delivers precise information from reputable sources, saving both time and mental energy. Imagine having a personal AI researcher that sifts through mountains of data to bring you relevant insights. That's what Merlin AI does, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. LinkedIn and Gmail integration is where Merlin AI truly shines. Struggling with engaging LinkedIn posts? Merlin AI generates professional updates that boost your engagement instantly. Writing emails becomes effortless. Whether it's a business proposal, job application, or personal message, Merlin ensures your communication is clear, impactful, and tailored to your needs. And if you're a developer, you'll love Merlin AI's coding superpowers. Unlike other AI tools that struggle with complex coding problems, Merlin provides structured, accurate solutions. It helps debug issues, optimize code, and explain programming concepts clearly. It's like having a senior developer by your side 24/7. With over 70 AI tools packed into one extension, Merlin goes beyond basic chat. It offers image generation, plagiarism checking, SEO tools, and business name generators. There's something for everyone: content creators, developers, marketers, students, professionals across industries. The browser integration is seamless. No switching between applications to get answers. Features like instant Google responses save precious minutes by delivering answers right where you're searching. In a world where time equals money, these seconds add up quickly. And here's the best part: many features are completely free. While daily limits exist, Merlin offers incredible value without requiring a paid plan. The interface is intuitive enough for anyone to master, regardless of technical background. Getting started takes just seconds. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Merlin AI, click Add to Chrome, and confirm the installation. Pin the extension for quick access or use Ctrl+M. Sign in with your Google account and you're ready to experience the future of browsing. Now let's dive into some real-world examples of how Merlin AI can supercharge your productivity. Let's say you're a writer looking for inspiration. With Merlin, you can generate unique and engaging content ideas tailored to your niche with just a few clicks. No more staring at a blank page or wasting time on generic topics. Planning a trip but overwhelmed by the research? Merlin AI simplifies travel planning. From finding the best deals on flights and accommodation to suggesting local experiences, Merlin has got you covered. Get personalized recommendations based on your preferences and budget, making travel planning a breeze. Stuck on a coding project? Don't sweat. Merlin AI is here to save the day. Whether you need help debugging code, optimizing performance, or understanding complex concepts, Merlin provides clear and accurate solutions. It's like having a coding buddy that's always available to lend a hand. For those who love learning, Merlin AI opens up a world of possibilities. You can ask questions, get instant answers, and explore new topics with ease. It's like having a personal tutor that can explain concepts in simple terms, helping you grasp new ideas quickly. And let's not forget about the power of instant Google responses. With Merlin, you get direct answers from Google right in your browser, eliminating the need to open multiple tabs or sift through search results. Find what you need in an instant and stay focused on your work. As an entrepreneur, time is your most valuable resource. Merlin AI understands this and is designed to help you make the most of every second. From generating business ideas to automating tasks, Merlin empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Stay ahead of the curve and achieve success with AI by your side. Whether you're a student, professional, creative, or business owner, Merlin AI has something for everyone. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it the ultimate AI companion for all your online needs. So why wait? Join the AI revolution today and experience the future of browsing with Merlin. And here's a bonus tip to help you get the most out of Merlin. Did you know that you can maximize your daily query limit by using multiple Google accounts? Yes! Each account gives you 102 queries daily. So if you have multiple email addresses, you can log in and out of different accounts to increase your quota. This way you can take full advantage of Merlin's capabilities without any limitations. Give it a try and see how Merlin AI can supercharge your productivity. You might be wondering how Merlin AI compares to other AI tools out there. Well, here's the thing. Merlin AI isn't just another chatbot. It's a comprehensive AI suite integrated directly into your browser. While tools like ChatGPT are great for general AI assistance, Merlin AI is tailored for online productivity. It combines the power of large language models with a suite of productivity-focused tools, making it an essential addition to your browser. Some may compare Merlin AI to other browser extensions, but Merlin stands out with its extensive feature set. It's not just a research tool or a coding assistant. It's a complete AI workstation that adapts to your needs. When it comes to pricing, Merlin AI offers incredible value. While some features are part of their freemium model with daily limits, the value it provides is hard to match. For the price of free, it's a no-brainer to give Merlin AI a try. If you're still unsure, consider this. Merlin AI is the only AI tool you'll ever need. It's like having a personal assistant, researcher, tutor, and expert all rolled into one. Why settle for less when you can have it all in one place? It's important to note that Merlin AI isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool that amplifies your abilities. Like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. But with its intuitive interface and wide range of features, Merlin AI makes it easy to get started. To sum it up, Merlin AI isn't just a Chrome extension. It's a productivity powerhouse. Its unique combination of AI models, research capabilities, document processing, and coding assistance make it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a student, professional, creative, or an entrepreneur, Merlin AI can help you work smarter, learn faster, and achieve more. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Try Merlin AI today and experience the AI-powered future of browsing. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool that's transforming the way people work and learn. That was a quick overview of Merlin AI. To dive deeper into its features, benefits, and pricing, visit my website or simply follow the link in the description below. You'll discover how Merlin AI can revolutionize your daily workflow and help you harness the power of AI in your browser. Don't wait. Start exploring Merlin AI today and join the AI revolution. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.